Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a grocery haul and a fridge tidy up with the fridge behind me. So it is a little messy. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a food prep just for the week also, so I can have things organized and ready to go, and also so the kids can have some snacks that are easy access for them whenever they need one. I'm going to give you a sneak peek at what I buy. I do buy a lot of fruits and vegetables, a lot of fresh foods. I try to buy a lot of organic foods, non-GMO foods. I think it's really important for my family. It's important for the kids that they have good nutrients for them to, you know, run on through the day and help them concentrate and give them you know, the good energy that they need. So hopefully it'll give you some ideas. We're gonna have a little fun, and I hope you like the video, and let's get started. So we buy the Happy Eggs, and they are by far the best eggs ever. I prefer these eggs over any egg. If you have Happy Eggs at your store, I recommend them. They have the brightest orange yellow yolk I've ever seen of any egg, other than, like, you know, a home chicken that you have in your yard. This is the next best thing. We also buy Veggie Noodles. These are zucchini noodles. They're really great for spaghetti and meatballs with the red sauce. My family loves that kind of spaghetti. I also bought organic apples. I plan on making some apple pies, so hopefully these will do the job. I also bought, I call it dinosaur kale because it looks like dinosaur skin. It looks beautiful. I mean, I love it. I make kale chips out of it, and my kids just go to town on it. So that will be good this week. I buy just lettuce, just for lettuce wraps. My hubby and I kind of go keto, so that will help with, you know, meals like tacos this week and different sandwiches. So I did buy also some romaine lettuce, and that's just for regular salads. Organic grapes, red and green. My kids love to snack on them during school time. Carrots and celery. There's potatoes back there, so I'll be making like a beef stew with those. And I also, you'll see so much celery there just because I juice that. And then I also bought grass-fed organic ground beef, and I have a bunch of them in the freezer I put in there. So these are just a couple I left out, but we make lasagna, we make the zucchini spaghetti that you just saw there. Also, we'll have a taco night. We love taco night. I did buy some living basil. I love basil in the salads. This will be planted in my garden, so I have a tiny, tiny garden that it'll go into. We also bought some tortillas, carb balance again for some keto meals, and some quesadillas and stuff for the kids. So that's our quick go-to lunch most of the time. Fresh foods, grape tomatoes, and my kids eat these like candy. They will probably be gone by tonight. Just a healthy snack for them, quick and easy, and they love it. I do, you know, cut up sweet peppers. They love to munch on these as well. Avocados, great for good fats. And tomatoes. We make tomatoes and eggs in the morning. And we do buy milk. We do drink milk. And I like the grass-fed milk especially. Yogurt is really good in our family. We really like it into our soups, into tacos. I make different sauces out of it. and we eat it plain on desserts. Tillamook, the box or the block cheese. I prefer block cheese. I don't like, you know, the shredded ones that are already shredded, because they have a lot of anti-caking agents and everything in there. So I prefer to shred it myself. So just so I can just be sure that it's just cheese. But yeah, so I think you guys would like that too. The taste, I think, is much better. And then we bought some sparkling water. So my hubby drinks sparkling water. And I also bought two chickens. Actually, I make the dogs their food with chicken, with real chicken. I make a big batch of it and serve it to them. It usually lasts us about a week or so. And they enjoy it. They get one fresh meal a day as well. So this is my little food haul, and now we're going to get into cleaning out the fridge and the food prep. So let's get started.
Can't stand to see you cry. settle down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too hot and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better.
So I'm so glad that is finished. That was a lot of work. Anyway, I'm so happy that I have a clean fridge, because that will make things running smooth for the week for me, as far as cooking meals and just, you know, having my kids run and get snacks when they need it, and I don't have to worry about prepping anything. It's so helpful if you can do that. So I know it's a lot of work for one day, but I'd rather put the one day in and then not stress the rest of the week. So anyway, I hope you liked it, and I hope you got some ideas, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.